안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Bunchup. Today we're cooking 해물 알탕. It's just, well, it's all of this. 해물 is seafood and al탕 are these lovely things here, fish eggs. So we're just going to prepare this. It's out of a packet. We're not getting all these fresh and separately, and we're not making our own sauce today, unfortunately. Maybe another time. But we're doing a quick one today, and we're going to use this lovely packet sauce, which tastes almost as good as making it from scratch. Let's begin. Even though we're using the packet sauce, there are a lot of seasonings you can add to it. So I've put a few of them here, and we'll add them as we go. Put that in a bowl just to get it out of the way so it's nice and ready when we're going to put it in the water, and start off with our radish. We're adding extra vegetables to this because it's good to use vegetables, make it a bit heartier. There's the sauce, and the sauce isn't bad, but if you just use the sauce by itself it can be a little bit bland, or you'll find that you won't have enough sauce for the amount of vegetables that you're going to be putting in like I do. So a bit of garlic, that's our first extra seasoning, and then put it in. Now remember, be careful when you're pushing it. Roe is very delicate and it can burst. You don't want that. For our bean sprouts, don't push them down. This will also damage the roe. So just let it soften and steam away, and eventually they'll fall into the soup. We're adding red pepper flake and red pepper paste to add some extra spice, but a lot of that is also in the sauce that we have. However, this is a different one. The soybean paste is a little bit of a secret ingredient, and it adds so much flavor to this soup. It's so good with the soybean paste. You must try this. Absolutely recommend it. Throw in a bit of soy sauce at the end. Actually, I think I'm using some crab soy sauce for this one, which is delicious. And then at the end, just taste the soup. See how it is before we add salt. You don't want to salt it until you've tasted it. And in my case, I thought I needed about an extra half teaspoon of salt for a couple of pinches. Now it's perfect. Ready to try. Boil it for just a little bit longer. You don't want to overcook the roe, it'll be a little bit dry, but you also don't want to undercook it either. Keep that in mind. We're cooking seafood here, we do have to be a little careful. And it's perfect though. Ooh, let's taste this. So it was quite delicious. Probably slightly overcooked it, to be honest, based on the taste, but I still enjoyed it. It's actually one of the first times I've had roe on this video here. So hope you enjoyed the video, and 안녕히 계세요.